You can use the lookup function to find the last non-empty cell in a column. Here is syntax. Lookup value, the value to search for. Lookup vector, the one row or one column range to search. Result vector, optional, the one row or one column range of results. When result vector is provided, lookup locates a match in the lookup vector and returns the corresponding value from result vector. If result vector is not provided, lookup returns the value of the match found in lookup vector. Lookup assumes that values in lookup vector are sorted in ascending order and always performs an approximate match. When lookup can't find a match, it will match the next smallest value. Let us get the last value in column B even when there are empty cells in between. Lookup function can handle array operations natively and always assumes an approximate match. Use this formula. Use a logical expression to test for empty cells in column B. The range B:B is a full column reference to every cell in column B. Advantage of using full column reference is that it remains unaffected when rows are deleted or added. The logical expression not equal to blanks checks if the cells in column B are empty or not. This part of the formula B:B not equal to blanks returns an array of true and false values where true represents cells that are not empty and false represents cells that are empty. Division operation of true-false array with 1 will convert the values to 1, 0. For false values, dividing by 0 returns an error. The result is an array of ones and divide by 0 errors. This is the lookup vector for the lookup function. The ones represent non-empty cells and errors represent empty cells. Lookup value of 2 is deliberately larger than any values that will appear in the lookup vector to force lookup to scan to the end of the data. Lookup automatically ignore errors, so lookup will scan through the ones looking for a 2. If the lookup function can't find the lookup value, the function matches the largest value in lookup vector that is less than lookup value. The largest value in the lookup vector is 1, so the lookup function will match the last one in the array. Lookup returns the corresponding value in result vector B:B. To get the first name in column C associated with the last value in column B, change the result vector to C:C. To get the last first name entered in column C, use this formula. You can also use the ISNUMBER function to get the last value if the values are numbers. If the values are a mix of numbers and non-numeric, instead of returning the last value, it returns the last numeric value. You can see this formula returns the last numeric value in column E. To get the row number of the last value, use this formula. Use the row function to get row numbers for column B and pass it as the result vector to get the row number for the last match. To download practice Excel file, please click on the link in the description. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel.